Hey there friends, in today's video we are going to be setting up an Amazon Echo Show for the very first time. This is actually super easy. You're going to need a cell phone or other mobile device with the Alexa app and then obviously your show. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so if you've turned on your Amazon Echo for the first time, you've probably come to a setup screen that looks something like this. And basically you're ready to set up the device for the first time. So we're gonna walk through this and we will show you the process step by step. Obviously the first thing we're gonna do is select our device language. I'm gonna choose English.
Ready for setup.
So the first thing we need to do is connect to our Wi-Fi network. This is gonna allow us to connect to the internet and finish the setup process. I'm gonna choose ours, type in the password, and we will move on. So once you've connected to your network, for the password, there's actually a nice big keyboard that comes up that you can touch. Type that in. You have the option to save your password to Amazon. I'm actually going to click this off for now. You can choose that or to learn more if you want to understand what that does. And then we're going to click connect. Okay, so we're now going to need to sign into our Amazon account. If you don't have one, you'll actually need to set one up with Amazon. If you've already purchased this, it probably means you have one. Again, just type in your email and your password for Amazon, and that will link this directly to your Amazon account in order to get data and help you out with the other information that the show can offer. I'm gonna go ahead and type our information in, and then we'll hit the sign in button down here. Okay, so the next thing that happens after you type in your password is going to actually ask you to verify your account with the device or email that you have on file. For us, we have a phone call set up. Amazon called me, they gave me a 6-digit code, and I was able to put that into the device. It then verified my account. It shows you your name, and then it will take you to this screen right here. So this is just going to set it up so we have the correct time zone. So if this looks correct, you can actually click continue. Unless it's different, and then you can actually click here and it will allow you to choose the correct time zone. Okay, so the next thing you have access to is your address. You can confirm that with Amazon. That allows you to use the show in order to purchase items and have them shipped directly to the address, or it allows Alexa to give you specific address information, direction information, weather, and those kind of things. But again, you have to input your address. Amazon usually has this if you've linked your account. So it isn't really going to hurt things or share unnecessary data if you choose to go ahead and continue with an address. I'm gonna continue without at this point, again, just because we're going through the setup process. Okay, we then need to show which room this is going to be set up in. So for us, this is going to be in our living room. And then we actually have an option to name this. This is going to be Scott's Echo Show is kind of the default. You can actually click on here and this will come up if you'd like to change the name. I'm going to go ahead and keep that and click continue. We also have the ability to choose a background, kind of a wallpaper. So we can either do it from our photos or we have a bunch of different options here that kind of rotate. This is kind of cool, the nature one. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue with that guy. So then we have the option to make this a child-friendly device. And as you can see, it automatically filters explicit content. And it also sets bedtime limits and reviews the activity on the device. So that's really neat if you're gonna have this in a child's room. At this point, I don't want this to be a child's device, so I'm gonna click no. Okay, so we now have the option to watch a quick video that will show all that the device can do. I'll go ahead and skip this for you though. Okay, after some brief tutorial videos and a little introduction by Alexa, you may also have some opportunities to sign up for some trials. I skipped all that and we are now right into our clock face. So as you can see, we've got some nature scrolling. Again, this can be customizable and changed very easily. And we are ready to use this device. Again, you can touch it and you can get some draw down options right here by swiping down. You have some settings and some things. We can also do touch and then we can scroll from the right-hand side. And you can see we have all sorts of settings and other things that we can do, as well as some other Discover Alexa tutorials that you can watch. Okay, so that is the basics, friends, of setting this thing up. If that's helped, hit that thumbs up button for us and stay tuned, subscribe, because we're making a bunch more Echo tutorials, especially for the show here, the Echo Show. And those will be coming out really, really soon. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again on the next one.